stylish people, welcome back to another YouTube wig tutorial. This wig is from SHEIN hair, you guys. Yes, SHEIN, 24 inches, 108 density, natural black wig, you guys. This is a T-part wig, middle U part wig, you guys. And also this wig is now on sale starting from $16. Yes, $16. Make sure you guys check out the description bar for more specs on this wig. I'll give all the details about how can you participate in this SHEIN sale. It's a big BOGO sale. The link, everything will be in the description. Make sure y'all get them and get y'all wigs. Like, I'll leave the code. Y'all know we love to save money, so I will leave the code down below so you guys are able to shop this wig and just shop other wigs on their site during this sale for the month of March. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And let me know down in the comments what you think of this wig. Would you rock this wig or would you pass on this type of wig? And just also let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see in the next hair tutorial or video period. So just continue watching how I style this wig. I'll see you guys in the next one.